This video is brought to you by Unbox, your go-to platform for everything tech. Join your favorite creators all in one place with the link below. This could be the coolest TV so far in 2019. This is the LG OLED R, and it's awesome. They showed off something similar last year, but this is actually going to be on sale this year. And I love the concept because it's basically the ultimate all-in-one crossover. It's a piece of furniture, it's a sound bar, and it's a 65-inch TV. And it features all the great things that we love about LG's 4K OLED displays, like incredible black levels, punchy colors, HDR10 and Dolby Vision support, fast Alpha 9 Gen 2 processors, and HDMI 2.1 for future-proofing connectivity. And we're going to see support for Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit across LG's lineup. So this was definitely something that I was drawn to. It's got an incredible, minimal, and clean design. Behind the black mesh, there is a 100-watt soundbar built in that supports Dolby Atmos, so that's nice. And when it's rolled up, it looks just like modern furniture. And one of my favorite features is this line mode where the display can roll up only a quarter of the way. So if you wanted to just listen to music, you can, and you can see what's playing, or you can just set the mood with the virtual fireplace or other visual modes, which I can see blending into modern living rooms extremely well. My first main concern is how durable is this rolling mechanism, and after seeing it in action, it's really solid. You can see there's a slotted metal back that allows it to roll up, and there's an X-frame on the back that gives it rigidity while it's up, but that easily folds down in a smooth motion, and the process was much faster than I thought it would be. It was consistently under 10 seconds with the time that I had with it. I just wanted to see this again and again. LG stated that this mechanism is tested up to 50,000 times rolling up and down, so that should exceed most people's life cycle of TV ownership, but I'd be happy to test this out in my own home. So LG, hit me up. I promise I'll take good care of it and never send it back. It's real. I would never send this back, dude. I love the concept and design, but there's one thing that I know for a fact, that it's gonna be really expensive. So if you looked at the LG wallpaper 4K TV last year, it started out at $8,000, and this one seems more complicated. So I'm assuming that it's gonna be more than $8,000. So we're gonna see later this year, but this thing is going to be released later. So I can't wait to hear pricing because they didn't announce it yet. So let me know what you think about the rollable 4K OLED TV. Is it game-changing? Is it basically a show-off piece? Or is it unique? I'm going for all of the above here. It's going to be an incredible year for TVs. I also got to take a look at the 8K OLED displays and also the 8K nanocell TV. And those things also look absolutely wild, and I'm sure the pricing is also going to be wild on those. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Hopefully I'll get these in so I can test them out. You better get your wallets ready for TVs this year. I want to thank our channel sponsor, Unbox. This is a great platform to see all your favorite tech content creators in one place. You can see what's trending so you don't miss what's hot right now in tech, and you can see highlighted reviews from your top favorite creators. And if you like that product, after watching, you can directly buy from the site, which makes things extremely easy. If you're a creator, you can easily be part of this. Just hit the link in the description, claim your profile, and get a custom landing page that gives you a one-stop hub for your audience to interact with, and that automatically updates with new videos that you release. The best thing is that it's free, so go ahead and give it a try. It's a great way to connect with your audience this year. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a lot more from CES 2019.